back.
I was gonna say.
That's what's growing back.
I didn't want to say it.
Oh my goodness. But it does look better.
It does.
Finn, where are we? You know exactly where we are.
Don't mess around,
don't
buddy.
mess around with me.
So we just got to the house. I just got some really bad news that my aunt is like about to pass anytime. And we were supposed to be here for a couple days, and we're going to leave in the morning because we need to be with family. I just can't believe everything just feels too much. Like it's just happening so fast and all at once. And it's like I was praying that we could get through what we're getting through with my dad. He's having brain surgery on May 6th. And I have been basically, Michael and I have been caretaking with my aunt, my mom, and my dad. My aunt, my mom's sister, not my dad's sister, who's the one I believe I told you guys about in the past. She's been on and off hospice a couple times. We were thinking we could get her help like my dad is getting and maybe bring her back a little bit, or maybe fully like we will get my dad back. But that's just not the case. It's just really sad to feel kind of out of control and helpless in that with health stuff and just family stuff, and then the legalities that come with it. I'm talking too much. We just got here. Let's be lighthearted and show you the house.
We are here for one night and we have a lot to get to. What was it? Our cleaner just told us the dryer wasn't working that well, so I got to look into that.
That's like numero uno.
And today, I don't like this jacket on me right now. Oh. Today is a very exciting day because this is something that we have needed to do for a very long time.
Mm-hmm. A living room refresh.
We have needed a living room refresh for, I think, over a year.
Yeah, it's been...
Yeah.
Like, I feel like we keep saying we started out with what we could.
Yeah.
And we bought things on Facebook Marketplace.
Mm-hmm.
Did
Use
a lot of
hand-me-downs.
Hand-me-downs, vintage shopping, which is great. But we need to upgrade this ish.
Yeah. And the centerpiece of today is getting rid of this couch, which already has Finn's blanket on it, because that's the first thing that comes in when we get here. This couch
has got to go.
It's got to go.
See you later.
We have a much better option that we cannot wait to share with you guys. We are so excited for this upgrade to happen because we've been wanting it, and we've been wanting something that's not typical, not that like everybody else has. So when we found this couch, we were so excited, and we are so excited to put it together and share it with you guys.
It's 250 pounds though, so we've got to...
We'll see.
Get our muscles
it's in two pieces. So
going.
Yeah. Oh, Finn's. I told you this was Finn's bed. He's about to get it popping.
Enjoy this time on this couch because it's going bye-bye.
Okay, so yeah, we got a couple other things to get to, and then we shall get to the couch. So we just got a new Amazon shipment in, right? We got
more makeup wipes.
Makeup wipes. What's this? Aluminum foil. Fun things, you guys. And we got
Go-Go juice.
Organic coffee. It's upside down. But we like these ones to give to our guests because they're organic and they don't use plastic on the bottom of the K-Cups. Just because we don't like using plastic things that get heated. Like that just doesn't sit right with me, like the chemicals and stuff, all that stuff.
EPA
so,
well, you know.
Only the best?
Only the best for the guest.
So that's we got dish soap I already opened.
And tampons.
So fun things.
We offer tampons too.
Yeah, fun things.
Stay at our house. We'll give you a tampon for free. Look how pretty this girl is. So many flowers.
Oh, she's blooming.
Yeah. Look at all of them.
The lighting's pretty.
And there's more coming.
This is the first cactus to bloom.
Yeah. It was facing the sun and I saw the little peak. Over there.
Yeah. In one of our past videos, I was cleaning the barbecue and I was testing out the propane tanks, and one of you guys out there said, "Why don't you have a gauge on your propane tank?" And I was like, I have absolutely no idea why I don't. They're like $2 on Amazon, so I went and got one, and it just connects in between, and it tells you if the gas is full or low, and our cleaner can tell us if it's getting low. The lighting is really bad back there, so that's why I'm it's like striped shaving lighting. But I'm gonna put this on, and I need to see, because I think I need to go get a new propane tank. It's been a very long time, right?
It's been like a year.
Almost a year. So yeah, let's see. Still has some in it.
Oh, really? You put the gauge on it already?
No, just by feeling it.
Oh. That's crazy. It still has some. People must not barbecue that often.
Okay, so I just put it into this one. Looks like we still got gas in this one, so that's good. I'm going to plug it in this one and make sure. I think this one's dead. I think this one's empty because somebody had this one plugged in, so this is a good way to test it. As I suspected, can you see this one is empty? So time to return that one and leave this one in place. I always like to have an extra one just sitting behind the barbecue, so if it goes out on a guest, they don't even have to think about it. They can just attach a brand new tank. Shout out to the subscriber that told us that. I forgot your name, but thank you. Whoa. Oh yeah. Should I?
Are we gonna want this for our house? Maybe we shouldn't get rid of it.
Should I cut this, or should we? You know what I mean? Should I cut? Like
Yeah, cut it, and then we can open it like a door. Do you have your box cutter? Oh.
There we go.
Sweet.
Ooh, that's
That's
deep.
nice.
That's deep.
That's nice.
You know?
I'm so excited. This is so comfy. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow.
What's this? Take the panties off. Set it down.
It's so gel.
Oh my gosh. This is so nice and chunky. Yes.
Just this alone, I'm like,
Yes.
Just fit both of us. Come sit.
We gotta get the whole thing in here.
I'm so excited. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Wait. We gotta get the other half. Another reason why we wanted to go with this couch instead of, say, others that, what's the one we have at home? So the reason that we didn't go with one of those other brands that everybody else has is because we've sat on those couches and they're not as comfortable. The company that makes this is called Valencia Home Theater Seating. So their bread and butter is making the most comfortable home theater seats. If you've been following us for a while now, you know that one of our goals recently has been to elevate our listing. And one of the best ways that we can do that is through offering premium furniture. You know how obsessed we are with our quality beds. Well, our couch didn't match until now. And we went with the Nathan leather modular sofa in the love seat option just because that was all the space we had. But they have so many options and all of their products are made with genuine Italian leather. We really want our listing to stand out and something that we knew would last a very long time. So if you're in the market for a new sofa, please go check out Valencia Home Theater Seating. The link is down below in the description. This thing,
It just made sense.
yeah, this thing could go in a theater.
Yeah, and I feel like I can really, push back. Like my whole body is on the couch.
Yeah, like I'm laying down.
Yeah.
Like I want to take a nap on this now.
Mm-hmm. It's big enough too, which our other couch was not, and also was very thin. Again, Facebook Marketplace purchase. This is the dream. Modular couches are my favorite.
Yeah.
I know they're like so hip, but
we thought about getting like an L. This is a modular sofa, so this is technically a love seat. But yeah, so happy with this decision. Yeah.
Your arm's falling asleep. Now you know what it's like. He's always like, film us. And I'm like, my arm's falling asleep.
Yeah. So we got the couch in. It looks so much better on film. Look at that.
So excited.
So now we have some readjusting to do, but we have one more thing that we're going to add to the refresh, right?
Yes.
We just didn't want the pink chair in here anymore.
Pink chair's got to go over.
Yeah.
Also, you think you have lip gloss on?
No, I kissed you. So. Yeah, so we're just going to add a quick accent chair right here to make it feel like a full refresh to this area. And oh my gosh, this is going to look so much better.
Now I know why we had the rug. We were thinking ahead.
Yeah.
Just like a whole year ahead.
Yes, a whole year ahead.
We're just like adding leather to the house. I always love when you show up to an Airbnb.
And what?
You show up to an Airbnb and like there's new features that weren't on the photos.
You like that?
Yeah. I'm all, ooh, this is a happy surprise.
So our lamp no longer fits next to the couch, so we're going to have to do some maneuvering just temporarily until we can get different things settled.
Okay, here's what we did. We have taken things out. We have put things in. We are loving this setup. We moved our lamp over here because our other lamp wouldn't fit, like Michael already told you. And we put our coffee table back. We moved this console over a tad.
Yep.
Added some things to it. Took some things off. Our lamp goes here. We took pillows off these wing backs.
Yeah. They were always kind of annoying in them when you go to sit.
Yeah, but these aren't gonna stay. Just a teaser. Okay. There is a lot of brown happening, so we're gonna work on some stuff here. We might massage this a little bit eventually, but I love that the color breaks it up. It's really nice. And it just feels elevated already.
Yeah, and way more cozy with this couch.
Just moving things around and getting this couch is crazy. Like how much, like we didn't even need a side table here. It looks great over here. I'm covering this beautiful area too.
Yeah.
So everything just feels way more cozy and inviting.
Yeah.
And I think that's one thing that was skimping in this area was just everything was kind of small and pulled back from each other, and this is more inviting, like a little den where you're gonna hang out by the fire and like chat. Fireside chats will happen here.
Yeah. All right, let's go swap this baby out. Luckily, there's a place right down the street that I can refill it and I don't have to drive that far. Okay, Finn.
We all thought we were staying.
We thought we were staying. I know, buddy. But this looks nice. This looks so nice. We are out. We are out. I wish it was under better circumstances, but
Yeah.
All right. I hope our guests love
The new couch.
the new couch. Right? They're gonna.
We
We can't.
Why does this always happen? We always put new amenities in. Same with our hot tub. We didn't get to use it first.
And then the same with the moon
The
garden.
moon garden, we didn't get to use it because
my
we had to
gosh.
leave in the morning.
Yeah.
you know, just the way it goes. We're selfless people, you guys. Love you, house.
Be good to our guests.
Be good to our guests. You've seen some high highs and some low lows.
And some yo-yos. Okay, we just need one last moment of appreciation for the before and after. Here was our living room before. It worked, it was functional, but it was not elevated like we were talking about. And this is the elevation that we needed. We are so happy with how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. So, we were in the middle of filming. And we got the call that Kristen's aunt has just passed away. And we were planning on being here for a few days to get some things done here, but just the way life is going lately, wow, the universe is really just messing with us lately. So we're gonna try and get what we need to get done here and get home as soon as possible. We just got here like 2 hours ago, so we started moving the couch, and oh my gosh, this is the realities of I guess sharing our lives with you. But I feel really bad for Kristen. She just needed a minute outside.